Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off with, I used a 1-inch flat brush and I went into this rainbow one stroke and I just painted a rainbow shape across my forehead. I do wish I'd done this in more of a curved shape, it was a bit of a straight line. Then went into a one stroke that went from purple to white on this 1/2-inch flat brush, and I painted these tulip style tubular flowers on each side of the rainbow, and I put a few petals coming down from them as well. It's a bit abstract, definitely not a perfect tulip paint. I then went into this one stroke which is Tag Stargazer, and I painted roses on my cheeks just underneath where like the tulip shaped flowers are. If you don't know how to do a one stroke rose, I'll leave a video in the description down below. That is a really simple video I made on how to do them. I then went into, I think this is Tag Leaf Yellow, and it's just a one stroke that goes from green to yellow, and I just added some leaves around the design where there's little gaps in it. Then went into a yellow face paint on a Mark Reed round number 4 brush, and I just added different sized dots all around the design. I then did the same with a white paint as well. Then using this Fab Ocean Shimmer paint on a sponge, I just sponged a bit in between my eyes, and then I used Fairy Stencil with a black face paint for the centre of the design. I then went into this glitter from Eco Stardust. It's called Moonshine, and I just added a little bit around the design. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I keep seeing similar designs on Facebook groups I'm in, and I just wanted to give it a try. I've never done it before. Also, I just wanted to say, obviously what's going on at the moment is like really scary and worrying, and because I'm a full-time face painter, I now don't have a job at the moment because it's too dangerous, and I know that probably a lot of other people are in the same situation as me. So at the end of this video, I just thought I'd add a little vlog of my weekend. I went to Colombia Road Flower Market in London, and it was really nice, and I just thought, well, anyone who is in quarantine or self-isolation might like to see some sights of London. So if you just want to see the face paint, then you can turn it off now, but if you want to just see a few things that I've been up to and some nice sights, then keep watching. So I went for these gorgeous roses that are like red on the outside and then orange on the inside, and I went for yellow and pink tulips. And then my sister went for this bunch. She's a bit more classy than me. So if you're ever in London, Angel's a really great town to visit. It's just in North London, and we walked along the canal from the flower market. It's got loads of like restaurants and shops. It's a really great place to visit. We got a cheesecake and a coffee dessert from here. They were delicious. So yeah, this is a little snippet into London life. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is probably the last time I'll be going out and about now, because I've kind of been advised to stay indoors. So it was nice to go out and see all the flowers, and I think spring is in bloom. Bye.